DT Dumaguete as of July 23, 2026. Base sa DMA kanina hindi natapos ay 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Day off bukas si Villamor. Pending na iwan na customer niya wala. Pending area namin maayos. Parcel for pickup na bawas 5 from yesterday, nadadag today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bali tatapusin ni JPL, Geraldine at Ma'am Sheila, Margie. Store visual, maayos naman po. Takrom naman po. These are printed 706 sa cash count tali. Sa expenses naman po, approve lahat. Issued receipt 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Sa consumable naman po, meron kaming Sable E4, DTF meter, tsaka DTF E4. Key holder bukas, si JPL at saka si Ma'am Sheila. Email na sagutan, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Sa page naman po, merong 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 44. Sa Viber naman po, merong 1, 2, 3, 3. Sa locker naman po,